Hello friends, my name is Pankaj Chauhan. Today we will talk about electric vehicles, its advantages and disadvantages. So as we know that fuel prices are increasing day by day, so is there any alternative method so as to reduce the consumption for fuel? So electric vehicles are vehicles which does not have an internal combustion engine like other vehicles which have an IC engine in them. So these are very environmentally friendly because they don't have any carbon emission from them, and they run over a battery and motor. So what are the components for electric vehicle? So the components for electric vehicles are: the first component is battery. This is the main important part of an electric vehicle. So mainly lithium ion batteries are used for electric vehicles because lithium ion batteries have high energy density. Now the second component is motor. So in electric vehicles, basically three-phase induction motor, brushless DC motor or single-phase induction motor, these are generally used. Then the third component is converter. So to convert power from AC to DC, it should have a converter, and to convert the DC to also AC also. So for that, converting DC to AC, it is using inverter, and for AC to DC, it is using a rectifier. Okay. Then these there are chargers, like there are level 1 charger, level 2 and level 3. So level 1 is used for slow charging, okay, level 2 for medium charging and level 3 for fast charging. These have different power ratings for charging your electric vehicle. And the fifth component is controller. So there will be a charge controller to control the flow of charge during charging your electric vehicle. Then the sixth component is onboard charger, means you will be provided an charger which will be with you always with your electric vehicle. Then the second component is BMS, battery management system. So a management system is necessary for batteries so that you cannot discharge your battery below 80%, means you can discharge your battery up to 80% only. So these are the things, because if you discharge it below 80 degree 80%, so what will happen, the battery life will be affected from this. Then the eighth component is thermal cooling. So for batteries, the thermal cooling will be needed because during discharging or charging the batteries will heat up. So a cooling process should be needed for that. Then the ninth component is gears. An electric vehicle will have gears also. So these are the components that an electric vehicle will have. Now let's come to advantages of an electric vehicle. So the first advantage is no fuel, so no emission, as it does not use any fuel consumption, so there is no emission of carbon from it. Okay, so it is environmentally friendly. Then second is low running cost. The running cost of an electric vehicle is around 1.15 rupees per kilometer, so it is very low. Then third advantage is low maintenance. The maintenance for an electric vehicle is very less. Then the fourth advantage is state government relaxations on taxes or on buying electric vehicles. They say like Delhi government and other state governments are also providing some relaxation whenever you are buying an electric vehicle. Okay, so these are some of the advantages of using an electric vehicle. Now let's come to disadvantages. So the first disadvantage for electric vehicle is driving range. So driving range for electric vehicles is limited. So for that we have to increase the battery size so as to increase the driving range for an electric vehicle. Then the next disadvantage is recharge time. Recharge time for an electric vehicle is very high at low level charging, means if you are using level 1 or level 2 charging, then charging time will be high, like for low level the charging time is around 8 hour. Okay, like that. And the next disadvantage is battery life. Battery life of an electric vehicle varies from 3 to 10 years. Some companies like Tesla are providing a battery warranty of 10 years, or it is also comes in driving range kilometers. Okay, then the next thing is sort of charging stations. Right now in India, charging stations are not there for an electric vehicle, so this is a disadvantage. So these are the things that I want to cover in this video, so I have done this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.